Oh goodness. Have you guys ever had one of those moments where you do something and you're like, why didn't I think about that a little bit more before I did it? Oh goodness. Okay, so you know the jewelry cleaners. You know, they have one for gold, they have one for silver, and I'm not sure, I think they have an all-purpose one. I've had one for gold jewelry for I don't know how long. The only thing I clean in it are my wedding rings, so, which are gold. I bought some silver cleaner thinking, oh, cleaner's cleaner, no big deal, and I always soak them overnight. Don't do it. Don't ever do it. Oh my goodness, my rings are, the gold is like, I can't even tell you what has happened. They are so bad. The diamonds are really sparkly, but the gold is like, it's dingy. I don't know. I don't think it's gonna come through. I think on my engagement ring it does a little bit more. Probably not coming through on the camera. I don't know what to do. So if anybody has done this, let me know. I don't know if maybe vinegar. I've cleaned them, polished them, done everything, and it's still, I don't know if they're gonna have to be re-dipped or what. But anyways, I know I need to go to the jewelry store, but I'm waiting till I go back home to where my husband bought the rings and have them clean them. But anyways, oh well, enough of that. If you have any tips for me, let me know. Hi everyone, I'm Barbara. I'm with BCsells. I do unboxings and reviews and ask for your help a lot of times. So thank you for joining me. I have a Stitch Fix unboxing. Stitch Fix, yay. All right, Stitch Fix is a personal styling service. It's $20 styling fee. Anything you purchase in the box, that $20 is applied. And if you buy the entire box, there's 5 items in here, you get a 25% discount, which is really nice. I have requested my stylist for a full outfit, so we'll see what's in here. Another thing is, all the instructions are printed on the box, so if you misplace your paperwork, you know where to go. Oh, here's my box. So they provide you an envelope with a prepaid label on it. Get it together, Barbara. I'm still thinking about my rings. An envelope, so anything you don't want, you put it back in here and you drop it off. I think this is, yes, the USPS. You also get an envelope with some great information. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is the invoice. Don't want to look at that. I want to decide if I like it or not. You guys will see the prices before I do, so I'll put them on the screen. Also, they give you this great style sheet, so you can get some ideas on how to style the outfits. Each item they give you. Let's see who my stylist is. Oh, I have the same stylist, Carol. Okay, Carol, I will read the note later, and let's take a look and see what's in here. Oh, with Stitch Fix also you can buy extras. So I did buy an extra. I actually bought a bra. Okay, so bra shopping is not fun, let me tell you. I do not like it at all, but I'm desperate. I went to the store before Christmas. I went to buy a couple bras, did all the try-ons, all the different try-ons, narrowed it down to a style that I really liked, went to buy them, they didn't have my size. She said, well, we can order them for you. I said, no, that's okay. So I went to another store. I knew exactly what I wanted. I went in, I said, this is what I'm looking for. This is the colors that I want, no stock. I'm like, you've got to be kidding me. So I actually ordered one from Stitch Fix. I know a lot of people rave about this brand. And what was it? Over the weekend, I went back to the store. I'm like, okay, it's after the holidays. Everything should be restocked. I bought 3 bras because they're on sale, $29.50, which is a good deal actually. So I bought 3, and now here I have another one. You can never have too many. And I bought different styles. So, all right, you guys really, I guess, didn't need to know all that. All right, this is and this bra's expensive. Oh, it's pretty. I think it's like $69 $50 or something. It's expensive. I mean, it is going to have to fit perfect. Okay, it's pretty. So I hope it fits. Because if it does, I'll keep it. Here's the rest of my bundle. I have shoes. Shoes are always good in an outfit. So let's start with the shoes. Oh, I like these. I love the color. Keds. I hope these feel good on my feet. I like these a lot. Here's my burrito. Barber colors. Sorry for the noise. Let's get rid of that. Blues. Blues and grays, it looks like. Well, that's cute. Navy. Looks like it's attached. This is my style. I like these. The fabric feels great. Looks like it's 3/4 sleeve. Let's see, I don't think there's a price. Navy, it's by Hawthron. Try it on before I see how much it is. Oh, a jacket. Oh, I think my sister got this jacket. It's nice, dark. It doesn't feel, it's not denim. This is not denim. If it is, it's got a lot of stretch in it. What is this? This is Liverpool. Power Flex. I like that it has the dark buttons on it. Okay, well, I'll give it a try. Gray. Who's this by? Looks like there might be something on it. Looks like it's got something here. That's kind of sharp. I don't know what that is. Okay, what is this? Oh, I can tell you right now, I'm gonna go in with an attitude with that hem. It's nice and soft, yeah. But we'll see, you never know. I'll try it on, I'll be like, oh, I love this. Nice and soft, just a nice simple shirt. Oh, a pair of jeans. The Stiletto. I like the wash on them. Ooh, I like the hem. They look shorter. Oh, it's like a double hem. Like two. Okay. I hope I can get these on. There have been a lot of pants that I've been getting, jeans that I've been getting. I haven't been able to show them to you because they just don't fit. So, all right. I'm gonna show you my outfit. I'll be right back. First outfit. Okay, let's break it down. Let's start with the asymmetrical top. It is really, really soft. She actually sent me a extra small because she said it runs big, which was perfect because it fits great. It's $54. It's very soft. It's really, really nice. This would probably be a keeper if it wasn't the asymmetrical. I'm not an asymmetrical girl, so give you a close-up. It's really, I mean, it's so soft. It has a drop sleeve. Give you a close-up of the fabric. I mean, it's very simple, but this is this just cuts it off for me. It looks cute. It really does look cute. I give you that, but it's not my style, and it's not a style that I want to get into because I won't wear it. So, okay, so let's talk about the jeans. All right, the jeans are too tight. They're $98. They are the Stiletto high-rise double fringe jeans, and they are so tight. And I've got all this extra material here also in the crotch, which I don't know, some jeans do it, some jeans don't. There's a little bit of room here, and they go down a little bit in the back. I mean, they're cute. I like the fringe. They're just too small. And like I said, this extra material here drives me crazy. It is not comfortable. Okay, so let's take a look at the shoes. The shoes are nice. I like the shoes. The shoes are by Keds. They're gray, $55. They are the Kickstart Jersey lace-up. They're very comfortable. For me, I'm not sure how comfortable they will stay, but I actually like them. $55. What do you guys think? The white sole. Okay, I'm gonna leave the jeans on for the next outfit. They might give a little bit, so we'll see. We'll give them a chance. Outfit number 2. These jeans are so tight. Okay, let's start with the jacket. I've got to keep the shirt together because I really should have put a cami on. All right, the jacket is by Liverpool. It's navy. It's a size small. It's $98. They call it a crop denim jacket. So it's a nice length for me. I like the dark buttons on it. See, are there pockets? Yes, there are pockets. They're way back here. Of course, the collar. It's a nice jacket. It does not feel denim. There is so much stretch in this. I mean, it is very stretchy. I have a denim jacket that I absolutely love. So for that reason, I would not be keeping this one. It just doesn't talk to me. It doesn't say buy me, not at $98. So it's nice. And if you're looking for a stretch jacket, look at this one, the Liverpool. And I'll leave the information on the video. Okay, let's see if I take this off without exposing myself to you guys, because this shirt is a wrap. You actually need to be able to button it or pin it. There's nothing here. Here, I like that it kind of gathers a little bit right here. The only thing, I like the sleeves, I like the color, I like the material. It's $48, it's by 41 Hawthorn. It's a really nice shirt, but because I would have to worry about pinning it, which is never works out real well for me, or wearing a cami underneath it, I'm not sure it's for me. I love the silhouette of it. I like fitted shirts. So, I don't know. All right, let's do a real quick review. Okay, that wasn't a bad box. Let's go over some numbers. If I purchase the entire box, not including the bra, the total of the box is $353. For 5 items, okay, 25% off of that. The 25% is $88.25, which would bring my total to $264.75. And then I have a $25 credit. Ooh, somebody used my link. Thank you so much. Whoever used my referral link, thank you, thank you, thank you. So there's $25 there, and then my $20 styling fee, which would bring all 5 items down to $219.75. I don't think that's bad. I wish I liked everything a little bit more than I do, but I'm not buying the entire box. So, and the bra is $60. So let's start with the bra. Okay, I wore the bra the entire time of the try on, and I didn't like it. It fits too high up here, and it's the exact same size of the bras that I just wore, that I just bought, and I'm wearing the, you know, they've been washed, and I'm wearing it, and it's really comfortable. So that one, no, it's going back, especially $60, that's a lot. I mean, it's okay if you can find the right bra. You know, if you find the right bra, buy it. I mean, if you can afford it, it's in your budget, buy it. All right, let's talk about the items. Okay, the blouse, the shirt. Like the concept of it. I didn't like that I would need to wear a cami underneath it or to pin it. So this is a no. The jeans, as cute as they could be with this double fringe, they just don't fit, no. This, I'm not comfortable. And the extra material by the crotch, and that might be because they don't fit. I don't know. Okay, this could be a really cute shirt. I love the feel of it. I wish you could feel how soft it is, but I'm not an asymmetrical girl. So these are a no. The jacket, it's a nice jacket. It's not my style. It's not denim. I didn't look to see what the material is, but it's, I mean, no. I've got a denim jacket that I absolutely love. So that's a no. Okay, let's talk about these Keds. Okay, these I like. These I'm keeping. So these are gonna be mine. So unfortunately, this box did not work out too well for me. So I'll just send some feedback back to my stylist, and we'll just, you know, we'll see what the next fix brings me. So everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and tap the bell, and you'll be notified of many more unboxings. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening wherever you are.